Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to buy PlayStation 5 game online. To buy PlayStation 5 game online, you have to follow the simple steps. Now, first thing first, go ahead and open up your device. When you open up your device, that's gonna show you this sort of interface. So first thing what you want to do is you could explore all of these features. So you have game library, all that. Now here you want to go ahead and swipe towards your left hand side and go to PlayStation Store. When you go to PlayStation Store, you could find a list of apps and a list of applications and games installed to your device. Now, you could also see this sort of interface or the section like you could see promotions, abonnement, all that. So in order to install it, I'm just gonna go ahead and select one of it. When I've actually selected that, you could see at the bottom there's this price. So if you want to go ahead and continue this, click on the price. Next thing you want to do is what sort of edition you wanted or what version you wanted. Now select it and accordingly go ahead and head over to your payment procedure, all that. So this way you'll be able to buy PlayStation game online. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.